Shopping can be a fun part of a trip to France, but if you don't know the language, it can get a little stressful. How do you find out how much something costs, or get help finding what you need? Bonjour, je suis Malcolm, a French teacher for Babbel Live. Today I'll share a quick lesson on shopping in French, so you feel ready whether you're buying des vêtements in Paris or des macarons in Marseille. C'est parti! Start with excusez-moi to get someone's attention. Excusez-moi, madame? As a traveler, you usually want to use more formal French. It's generally more appropriate, and even if the person you're speaking to is younger, they'll understand that French isn't your first language and that you're making an effort to be polite. We could do a whole video on verb conjugations, but let's practice in context. If you want to ask someone if they're available to assist you, you can say, Vous pouvez m'aider s'il vous plaît? Oui, comment je peux vous aider? One easy way to respond, use the verb chercher. Je cherche and list what you're looking for. Je cherche du shampoing. Je cherche un parapluie. If you're at a grocery store and need help locating a few things, the staff might refer you to an aisle. Les œufs se trouvent dans le rayon 12. Le beurre se trouve devant le rayon 3. And for US-based learners, if you can't find milk and eggs in the refrigerated section, c'est normal. In France, we don't keep those items cold. They might also give you some physical direction. C'est devant le fromage. C'est derrière les légumes. C'est à côté du boucherie. You'll need some vocab for clothes shopping too. In French, we usually use the letters S, M, L to indicate sizes, rather than translating the words small, medium, and large. Vous l'avez en M? Did you catch that other verb in the vous form? Vous l'avez might be a little more intermediate, but you can use l'avez-vous to ask for all sorts of things. Vous avez des pulls vertes? Vous avez le temps? If you like to make sure you get a perfect fit before checking out, you can ask, Où sont les cabines d'essayage, s'il vous plaît? Je voudrais essayer ce pull. Once you have your items, head to la caisse to pay. If you're unsure if someone is on the line, you don't just want to translate literally. In French, we don't wait in line, we make the queue. Pardon, vous faites la queue? La queue commence d'ici. And when someone tells you your total, they'll typically use the verb faire, to do. It could sound like, ça vous fera 12,54. Then you might want to ask, je peux payer par carte? Vous prenez la carte? If the answer is no, you might hear, désolé, en liquide seulement. On n'accepte pas la carte bancaire. Engaging in new and challenging social interactions, like going to the store, is great for language learning. Hopefully you can take what you've learned here and apply it with real speakers. The next time you go shopping at a French store, treat yourself to something nice. You earned it. Check out Babbel if you want to dive deeper. And no matter what, enjoy the process.